In this video, I'm going to show you how to add BNB Chain to MetaMask. The first thing you need to do is open up this website, connecting MetaMask to BNB Smart Chain. I'll be sure to add a link to it in my video description. So if you want to find it more easily, please look down there. And on this page, if we scroll down, we'll find the information for BNB Chain. So here is the mainnet information, and this is what we want to add on to MetaMask. So we're going to go to MetaMask now, and I've got to open in the expanded view. I'm going to open up the settings. Then I'm going to go across to networks. Now I'm going to click on add a network. So I'm just going to call the network name Smart Chain. It's okay if you call it BNB Smart Chain. We're going to copy in its URL here. Then we're going to add in the chain ID, which is 56. The currency symbol, which is BNB. And then we just copy in the block explorer. So we can save this now. And that's it. We have successfully added on the BNB Chain Network to the MetaMask.